I'm going to show you how to determine what your gear ratio is without ever taking the diff cover off, and all you need is a lift or a jack. First thing you're going to want to do is figure out what gears you have. And one way you can do that is simply by marking the drive shaft and marking one of the tires and then rotating one of the tires while the vehicle is in neutral, and that'll give you a number, and that number multiplied by 2 is going to be your gear ratio. If you're going to be using this method, you're going to have a buddy hold the other tire and keep it stationary, or if you're on the ground, just lift up one side, and you can do this by yourself. I know that this piece is right here. I know that this piece is right here for reference. I have my buddy holding the other tire. I start spinning this, and I'm watching the other one. That's 1 full rotation right there. 2 full rotations right there. And now that my piece is back to me, it looks like we're just under a half rotation, so 2.4. We double that to 4.8, and that's probably a 488 gear ratio.